Hi everybody, Teacher Rob here. Welcome to our Phonics Fun series. Today we're going to learn about something super cool called the Bossy R. Have you ever heard of the Bossy R?
Huh?
Well, when the letter R comes after a vowel,
Hello!
it gets a little bossy and changes the sound of the vowel. Today, we're gonna meet the OR sound. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! Meet the letter O
Hi there!
and the letter R. When O and R get together, the R becomes Bossy R and tells the O to say something new. Instead of saying aw, like in aw, octopus, the O now says or. Can you say or? Great job! Let's say these words together. Orca, orca, torch, torch, sports, sports. Awesome! You're getting the hang of it. Now let's practice some or words with these talking flashcards. Repeat after me. Fork, fork. Corn, corn. Horse, horse. Stork, stork. Torch, torch. North. Story. Thorn. Forty. Sport. Sword. Acorn. Organ. Orca. Storm. Horn. Shorts. Forget. Wow! You did an amazing job with those words. Let's keep going. Let's sing a song to help us remember the OR sound. Sing along with me. The O and R make the OR sound. Or. The O and R make the OR sound, like in corn and pork. The OR is in the word horn. Horn. The or is in the word horn. It honks loud and strong. The or is in the word storm. Storm, storm, storm. Storm, storm, storm. The or is in the word storm. It rumbles all night long. Now you know the or sound. Or. Sing it loud and spin around. Bossy R is in town. Great singing! Now you'll never forget the or sound. Alright, friends, it's quiz time. I'll show you some pictures, and you decide which has the or sound. Which one has the or sound in it? Turtle, arm, horn. Horn makes the or sound. Which one has the or sound in it? Forget. Thursday. Car. Forget makes the or sound. Which one has the or sound in it? Curly, harp, shorts. Shorts makes the or sound. Which one has the or sound in it? Story, turnip, bark. Story makes the or sound. Which one has the or sound in it? Teacher, sports, turkey. Sports makes the or sound. Does this word have the or sound in it? Orca, orca. Yes, orca makes the or sound. Does this word have the or sound in it? Purple, purple. No, purple does not make the or sound. Does this word have the or sound in it? Skirt, skirt. No, skirt does not make the or sound. Does this word have the or sound in it? Story, story. Yes, story makes the or sound. Does this word have the or sound in it? Thorn, thorn. Yes, thorn makes the or sound. Thanks for learning about the or sound with me today. Join me for other Bossy R videos. Links in the description. Go to the Facebook page and let me know what other topics you'd like to see a video about. Links in the description. For more phonics videos, check my playlist. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.